Can I get a new shop for real, or am I just blowing smoke? That was a legit, that was a comment that I saw earlier in today's video. Sure, I figured I'd make a little video real quick to answer it. Yes, I am getting a new shop, and I have a new shop, and we have signed the lease, and I'm happy with it, and we're going to be moving in. And right now, as we speak, I'm having the floors painted, and we're getting the walls done. If you guys saw the video I made about moving into the shop, and when I announced that we missed my hat when I announced that we were gonna get an expansion shop project, whatever, in the way, I got another building, and I had mentioned it. I made a video about it. I'll leave a link to that video down this video's description so you guys can go back and watch it. But yes, I am making another shop, but the shop was dirty, and it had been there for decades, and it was filthy inside, and there was no paint, and there was a bunch of stuff left over from the last guy that was in there. So we are rehabbing the interior of the building right now. That way, when we walk in, it's not working a dumpster like it used to be years ago around this place. Yeah, this place used to look like that. Look at all that. See how nasty that is? Imagine that everywhere. It's fugly, man. Nobody wants to look at that. So the other building is in similar condition. So we're pressure washing, cleaning, painting. I'm doing both. I'm here sometimes and I'm there sometimes. We're moving a few things back and forth to clear space and kind of arrange things. So it's all in progress. But don't take my word for it. Let's head over there. I'll show you guys. Let's go see what's going on with Ray's new shop. Come on, let's go. Okay, field trip. Let's go to the other shop. I collected the rest of the posse. Dave's coming with because he hasn't seen the other store yet. I feel bad. And Lauren's coming with because she doesn't want to be here by herself, and I don't blame her. Uh-oh. Laura.
Do you not have the key?
I do.
The key's dead.
Yep.
Battery.
Let me show you something. Battery's dead, right? Watch this. Start, you piece. There we go. Oh. If the battery's dead, you can hold your fob here on the button, or sometimes it's here on the steering column, and the transponder or the receiver in the car will pick up the chip due to close proximity, and it'll read the transponder chip and then authorize to start. Now you know. So if you're stranded in Walmart, first, if you're stranded in Walmart, I'm gonna ask why you're at Walmart, and then you can use that trick to unstranded yourself. Let's pull up to my fake shop over here. We're about to pull in. Larry with New View Flooring. I butchered that horribly. Sorry, Larry. He's in here. Larry's been a long-time customer, and he did a lot of the interior work on the other building, and we've done a lot of work on his van right here. His van is hiring. Let's see if I can't squeeze my van in past this van.
Wow, it is.
Is that not gorgeous in there? No, I mean, that's gorgeous too. Yeah, you guys need any floor work done, call Larry. He does fantastic work. But yeah, in here, you guys remember first video, look at that unit.
Wow.
It's not what it used to be.
Oh, it's great.
Yeah, I know. I like it. I like it. Let's go ahead and flip this thing around here. Yeah, see, to those who are impatient, this stuff does not happen overnight. It just does not happen. All right, we're parked. You shut down. Let's hop on out. Check out the fresh skin. Hi, Larry. We were talking about your van on the way in. Yeah, we were talking about your van and the previous paint you did at the other shop. This is fantastic, my friend. Look at it. Look at that. It's bright. We can see. We can see in here. It's not like the bottom of a dumpster. Now, no offense. I didn't mean to offend anybody who left it in this condition. No, bro, you can't do that. No name dropping, man. I have rules and standards. It's not fair. People dig their own holes. I don't need to make it worse. Yeah, you guys saw we're putting up some of that silver metallic looking gray stuff. It's almost white. We're doing gray in here just like the other building. We're gonna do the red iron in a black just for some good contrast. I don't know why, I just don't really care for bare red iron. It's fine, but it doesn't look that fantastic. I was thinking I was gonna have to add a bunch more lights in here. And with the paint and the reflection and some paint on the floor, I think there is plenty of natural and artificial lighting. What do you guys think? I bought a pallet jack the other day, and I'm kicking myself in the derriere for not having gotten one of these earlier. It was like 150 bucks. It was a used one, Craigslist, I guess, or Facebook or something. But this thing is invaluable. I can't believe I did not get one earlier. That doesn't go there. Fix that later. Lauren's gonna take us in to go see how the office has turned out.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
My dad painted the office and my mom helped clean everything. They're gonna do the floors after everything's painted, but Dad painted all the walls and baseboards blue and trim. And we're redecorating. Some of this stuff was left here, the desks and chairs, filing cabinets, some of these over here and those filing cabinets over there, but we're gonna figure out how to feng shui everything because I'm still gonna be homeschooling and
feng shui. I like that.
Yep. Everything.
Well, I only insist on a coffee station over here.
Yes.
We need a coffee station, and that would be nice. And then this one can be your desk. I would like that one to be my desk and or service manager desk.
Service manager.
Yep.
Yes.
Well, see.
And I face customers coming in and.
Precisely.
Yes.
Yeah. That's kind of how I envision this.
And then the children are going to have their workstation back in this corner. I think this will be a good area for them to have a lounge and a desk area to do their work. And
we finally have filing cabinets.
I know.
It is so hard to get a hold of filing cabinets because all the Office Depot places have closed.
Oh, they're gone.
Yeah, I know.
Staples is no longer there or nothing.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's shaping up quite nicely, I think. I'm enjoying it. Dave, let's go. We have a break room.
Oh,
come look.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Watch the stairs. These were constructed before building codes, so they're a little steep. Door cleaned up nicely. Look at that. Yes, we have a break room now, sir, with some level of air conditioning. What do you think about that? I need to figure out the climate control up here, though, because there are two vents, but I recall it didn't really cool this off as much. Part of the problem was insulation falling down, so might need to fix that outside. I see light. Yeah, it needs a little bit of polish up here, but we'll get around to it. We have another whiteboard. Yes, this is working out so nicely. Yeah, once the walls get redone and the floors are done, we're moving stuff in. All right, tour is over. Let's get back to work. Let's get out of here. Back to work. We need to go. All right, new shop. Until in a week or so, we bid you adieu. We will revisit you later on once the facelift is complete. Thanks, Larry. Much appreciated, my friend. See you later. Fantastic work, brother. I will see you after Christmas. Fair enough? All right, man. See you, buddy. All right, guys. Get in the van. Let's get out of here. Beginning hoopty ride. Engine starting sequence now.
This van's been through the mill.
This van, I'm surprised it still starts. Leaking oil, alternator blows up.
I don't think it's had an oil change in the past 4 years.
Let's just ride it and see what happens. Where are we at? 229 on the sticker, and we have no key.
Here, push that button.
Change oil, 226. Nah, we changed it. We just didn't put a...
Oh, well maybe you changed it without me knowing.
I don't know. I had a dead battery the other day too. It might be defaulted. Let's just change it again.
Change the oil.
I know we've changed it.
Yeah, but I know. Who knows? I don't know. This is a bad look. If I don't know when my own stuff's been serviced, then how am I supposed to service everyone else's stuff? This is a bad look. All right, let's get out of here. We got more stuff to do on this non-Friday. It's a Friday that feels like a Friday.
Yeah.
That's gonna be the detail station. I want to have a detailer detailing cars. We have to get blinds.
Oh, blinds.
We
yes.
forgot the blinds
yes,
for the orifice. We need to get blinds for the orifice.
This sounds so bad.
It is. It is.
I got some
And
firewood.
that's not gonna burn that well. But somebody got arrested there the other day. I think that guy had something to do with it. Yeah. I forget who told me. It might have been Larry, but somebody here is a viewer of the channel, and they saw them in there doing heroin behind the fence, and then they called out the law, and the law then proceeded to remove them from the property. So I thank you, Good Samaritan, for such things. It's very nice. Yeah, I think there is a shelter over here around the corner somewhere, and this particular block has a lot of nomads that inhabit it.
Can you spare some change? Change? Ah, I don't have any change. Change? No!
And they're not like permanent nomads. We like rotate. They leave and go to Sarasota, then Sarasota brings them back, I think. So we have rotating nomads doing heroin in the parking lot. I should wear my seatbelt. It's always beeping. There's always something wrong with this van.
I drove it like 150 miles a day.
Yeah. Severe mileages. All right, let's get out of here. All done. All right, we're back to work. We're pulling into the first shop over here, I guess. I'm not sure what we're gonna call this in the future, the overflow shop. But yeah, we're pulling back in. We're gonna get back at our tasks for the day. We are in preparation for the holiday. Merry Christmas, everybody. I'm gonna take a couple days off. I'll try to stick some videos in here and there during the holiday time. I do have a little bit of footage. I've got a few shorts, and let me know if you guys want to do a live or something. Maybe we can do a live stream. You want to do a live stream?
I would love to.
We should do a live stream. I think we can do that. So anyway, guys, we're hanging up. I'm going back to work. Thanks for watching this video about my not real shop. Appreciate you being here. Please register your opinions on this video in the comment section down below. Do not forget to engage that like button while you're down there. And most importantly,
do not forget to have yourselves a great day.
You did it!
And a great Merry Christmas
Yay!
and New Year's. Yay!
Merry Christmas. See you guys later. Bye.
Bye.